very tight, but it's kind of hot in here. It feels so stuffy.
Yeah, it feels so humid. I can still smell leftover food in here.
I might have a solution. You can try using this machine.
What is that machine?
It's called oxygen booster. Let's check this out to know more.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Basima Nisrina.
And I'm Ulinnuha Khalisha.
We're from Pribadi Bilingual Boarding School, Bandung. And today, we would like to talk about our research, which is titled Manufacture of Photobioreactor Machine, Oxygen Booster, with algae chloroaspae as the main biomass to increase oxygen levels and environmental air quality.
Reduce greenery, vehicle pollution, and factory pollution are a few examples of causes on air pollution in Indonesia, which reduce the quality of oxygen level in the air and endanger the air environment.
The oxygen booster innovation can restore oxygen levels in the air by generating oxygen through absorbing carbon dioxide and photosynthesizing with the help of algae plants and the photobioreactor system.
The main component of the photosynthesis process in this tool is an aquatic plant or algae called Chlorella sp, because in addition to being easy to maintain, it can reproduce and regrow quickly.
By using a portable diffuser, we invented the oxygen booster machine to not only be portable and practical, but also cost-affordable and easy to use.
First, how effective is the use of photobioreactor to improve air quality? Second, what is the effectiveness of using Chlorella sp for photobioreactor? Third, whether the implementation of the Arduino system can help the effectiveness of photobioreactor.
First, to determine the effectiveness of using photobioreactors to improve air quality. Second, to assess the efficiency of using algae chloroaspae in photobioreactors. Third, to determine the effectiveness of the Arduino system in photobioreactors.
This research was conducted in 3 stages. First, process of working on oxygen booster. Second, calculation of oxygen level produced. Third, breeding of Chlorella sp algae.
The first stage consists of the working on the oxygen machine itself. The oxygen booster is created by improving the diffuser to increase its potential as a photobioreactor tool with chloroalgae as its oxygen producers.
Then, the second stage of the research works on the implementation of the Arduino system as a tool to calculate the oxygen level produced. Analyzing the level of oxygen release can be calculated by the decreasing number from the sensor, which indicate increased air quality or reduced carbon dioxide level in the air, with the implementation of the MQ135 air quality sensor tool by Arduino.
This stage consists of the breeding of chloroaspae algae as the main biomass for the machine. The process of breeding chloroaspae algae begins with the seeds, which are then required to allow to multiply under sunlight and UV light after adding water, so that the algae produced can then be inserted into the diffuser as the main biomass of the oxygen diffuser.
The testing of the Arduino machine for detecting carbon dioxide level was carried out in a number of circumstances to measure the possibility of accuracy of the sensor.
The first test being in a biolaboratory, which is a moderately ventilated and empty room. It was concluded that the carbon dioxide levels decreased steadily because the room was empty without people, so there was not too many carbon dioxide levels in the air.
The second room in the hall is the one with the most ventilation and the most people. It was determined that when there are fewer people present in the wind is not as strong, carbon dioxide level begins to fall.
The third was in the form of a field. There are many plants and a small number of people around where the experimental area continues. The surrounding plants were also photosynthesizing and absorbing carbon dioxide levels in the surrounding air, so the carbon dioxide levels were relatively slow from the start.
Lastly, the fourth test occurred in a sealed container with no ventilation. Carbon dioxide level rise dramatically as a result. This could happen if the gas level in the container are too high and the Arduino system is unable to detect accurately due to a lack of gas circulation.
This research is a follow-up study on the ability of photobioreactors as an oxygen-producing machine and the invention of using diffusers as the primary machine. Furthermore, our personal suggestion after conducting this research are to improve the gas level detection engine to a special sensor for oxygen detection. These are the references that support our research. This concludes our presentation. Thank you for your time and attention to our research. I'm Basima.
And I'm Ulinnuha.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wow, it does feel more refreshing.
Yeah, the air seems a lot more cleaner now.
This machine really does help.